Okay, so this is my final DIY project where I have made report card visualizer where I am using Matplotlib to visualize the result in the form of marks. So it's a quite good tool. You can see report card visualizer which I have made using Python and Matplotlib. So let's see the code how it works. Okay, so here, as I told you, this is the last DIY project, and the code I have already written where I have made a report card visualizer, which is using Matplotlib to plot the graph. So here, what I did, I am taking input from the user itself. So user will enter 5 different subjects, and then its marks. Okay, separated by comma. The same method I am using to split it further, and then I am making a list of subjects and the appropriate marks which are associated to those subjects. Then what I am doing to make it more creative, I am using this color code list where I have written hex code for different color. It is for different color like blue and then purple, yellow and shade of orange. So this I took from color picker. You can directly write the name of the color as well, but I wanted a variation of color, so that's why I'm using different color code in the hex format. Then to define the size of figure, I am using the overall figure size method. So here I have passed figure size 8 and 5, and I'm using bar chart here instead of line. So that's why what I am doing here, I am calling this bar function which will plot the bar chart, okay, or you can say bar graph, where I am passing x value as subjects and then y value as marks, and here I am passing the list of colors as well. Okay, it should be equal in numbers. For example, if you have 5 subjects, so 5 x values are there, then 5 y values in the form of marks, and then we have to give list of 5 colors also. So here color is equal to, I am passing the list of colors, and then I am defining the title of my graph, that is my report card, and I can define the size also because it's a heading. So I made the font size as 16. After that I am defining the labels. For axis I am defining the label as subjects, and you can see subject names are given, and y labels I am defining it as marks. Okay, and here I am defining this size also. After that, it is not size, it is the limit of y-axis. So because you can think of marks can range from 0 to 100, so here I am defining the range of y-axis which is starting from 0 to 100 only. So it will not go beyond that. So that I have defined, this is y limit. Okay, and then what I am doing for I in range, so I am getting the marks length, means how many total marks are there, and on the basis of that I am defining the text here. So plot text, so I am plotting the text also on the basis of that, which will be number, value and then marks. Okay, and here I am using horizontal alignment as center and font size as 10. Once you will see the figure, then you will come to know what actually it is. And then there is a particular property called as layout. So for that layout I am using tight layout, and then at last I am writing this plt.store. Now let's run the program once, then you will come to know how it works. It will run, a new block will open, new window will open, which will display the graph, okay, as per the defined size. I'll show you. Okay, so now it is asking enter 5 subject names comma separated. So I am writing Hindi, then English, then math, then science, then SST, right? And then I'll put the marks also, because now it will ask marks for all these 5 subjects. So 67, 89, and then little lower one, and 76, right? So total 5 subjects marks I have entered. And now let's see the magic. It will start plotting now. You can see the figure is here. Can you see? So now that is the thing. In the English and all, it is horizontal layout is in center. So it is the one which I have used in for loop to define this. Okay. And this one, this values which we are printing here, that is being printed using this. Okay, so this is how it is working. If you want, you can save this figure, or you can utilize it anywhere. So you can see it. So this is all about this final DIY project where I'm using Matplotlib to plot my data. That's all from my side. If you will close this, so this will get terminated. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.